Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the prescription and reading the leaflet. These tell you specific formulation and precautions. Once done, check for drug interactions and whether your clinician advised a pregnancy test. Set a daily alarm so you take your pill at the same time each day. That consistency keeps hormone levels stable and reduces breakthrough bleeding. If your prescriber recommends a day 1 start, take the first tablet on cycle day 1. If a Sunday start is chosen, be sure to use backup contraception for 7 days. You should keep taking 1 tablet daily without skipping, because steady dosing prevents ovulation and controls symptoms. Include the inactive pills in 21/7 packs to preserve the routine. Once you experience vomiting within 3 hours of a dose or realize you missed a pill, consult the leaflet. It explains when to take a replacement tablet and when to use backup contraception. Make sure to track your progress with the pack's day markers. This helps you detect patterns of missed doses and decide quickly when backup protection is required. You finish the pack as prescribed and follow the inactive or pill-free interval if the regimen includes one. Withdrawal bleeding is normal and not a period replacement. Once you miss several pills or think you may be pregnant, contact your provider immediately to clarify testing and whether to stop. If you encounter persistent spotting, severe nausea, or mood changes, make sure to seek medical advice. These can require formulation changes. Troubleshooting tip: if you miss pills repeatedly, set 2 alarms and ask about alternate methods to improve adherence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.